Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you how to use your split screen on realme narzo N55. So friends, before we continue this video, please like my video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So the first thing is that I'm just opening the gallery, okay, and the contact, okay, this call app. Then you can see you just click on this three line option, the menu, okay, this three line, just click on it. When you click on it, here you can see the three dot, not this one, not under it, okay. You can see on the app near the phone call app, okay, here on the app, the first thing one, just click on this three dot. After that, the second option is the split screen, so just click on split screen. After that, here you just open another app to use your split screen, okay. Suppose I'm going to open the file, okay, so here the split screen, you can use this split screen right now, okay. I just click on the back and here it says okay, continue. Again, you can use your split screen with this contact and your gallery, okay. So here this split screen used to be work. You can use your call app also and your split screen also like this, okay. So friends, you can use your YouTube and your WhatsApp together like this, okay. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video and subscribe the channel, okay. So friends, thanks for watching. Bye.